Okay.
Hi guys, today we have with us Isha. So Isha have got 99.82 percentile in the CET exam. So Isha, today we want to understand your story from CAT 42 percentile to CET 99.82 percentile. ऐसा क्या खाया आपने
Yes, sir.
जो एकदम से स्कोर सडनली improve हो गया ऐसा? So we'll talk about all these things. So before we go into that, can you talk about your background, where you from, and what is your education?
Yes, sir. So I am basically an engineer from Nagpur, Ramdev Baba College, and I worked in Accenture company for about 3 months. Then मुझे वो job ठीक नहीं लगा, so I just left it and decided कि okay I should pursue MBA. But CAT क्योंकि सिर्फ 2 महीने ही बचे थे, I left my job in September. So CAT के लिए prepare करना was not at all possible. So I decided to focus on MBA CET. So that's it.
ओके तो आपने सितंबर में जॉब छोड़ा तो व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन योर माइंड एट दैट टाइम बिकॉज नॉर्मली आपने कैट के इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी जॉब छोड़ा था कि फोकस ही सीटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जॉब छोड़ा था व्हाट वाज योर मेन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
CET के लिए सर CET के लिए actually I was not satisfied with my job life. It was very robotic. So I thought I should do something further in studies. So I searched a little bit and then I thought I should focus on CET because it's in March. So I'll be able to prepare pretty easily. So इसलिए MBA CET के लिए focus किया.
ओके ग्रेट 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 तो अभी जब आपने तैयारी शुरू किया तो ऑब्वियसली यू आर गिविंग एलियर कैट का मॉक्स योर फोकस वाज ऑन कैट तो फिर कैट का
Yes.
42 परसेंटाइल आने के बाद what was going in your mind because in the end you have not सिम्पी में भी आपका 70 percentile आया तो we can see the scores going up 42 become 70 then 70 suddenly become 99.82 so 90.82 पे will come in the end मेरे को पहले वो sad story की बात ज्यादा करनी है I know I tried to be थोड़ा वो but that's more because everyone is going to that stage यार especially ये जो phase होता है ना सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर
Right.
those 2 months are very
Very
bad
difficult.
from cat point of view so people start feeling
Yes, sir.
demotivated people leave the hope so this is where I want you to place you कि boss ठीक है cat बेकार जा रहा है जाने दो rather than thinking sad about the cat exam the moment you focus on other exams you will feel more comfortable
Yes, sir.
so
Yes,
Simbi
sir.
में you got 70%
So
and met you got 192 right 192 marks
yes,
so
sir.
you are doing
Yes, sir.
decent so if I just exclude the cat exam तो your story is not that bad ठीक है लेकिन वो टीआरपी के लिए आई हैव टू राइट इट एज 42 to 99.82 percentile okay now okay tell us what was going in your mind when you see the cat ka result so that you made a comeback how you made a comeback
सर बेसिकली आई वाज प्रिपेयर्ड कि कैट में गंदा ही स्कोर आने वाला है बट इतना गंदा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था आई एक्सपेक्टेड लाइक 60-70 तो आ जाएंगे बट 42 आया तो ऑब्वियसली आई वाज वेरी डिप्रेस्ड कि अगर कैट में इतना भी स्कोर नहीं कर पाई तो हाउ विल आई डू फर्दर देन आई यूज्ड टू वॉच योर वीडियोस कि ओके चलो ठीक है कैट चला गया फोकस ऑन अदर एग्जाम्स तो आई फोकस्ड ऑन एनमैट बिकॉज एनमैट उसके जस्ट 1 वीक बाद में था मेरा तो क्या एनमैट दिया देन स्नैप दिया तो चल रहा था बट main thing was whenever I used to go to exam I have that fear after watching so many children कि इतने लोगों में how I'll be able to do that means इतने सारे लोग हैं तो मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी तो आपके वीडियोस देखती थी तो मोटिवेशन मिलता था and that helped me a very lot like a lot
thank you okay so then when you started the preparation for CET exam
I started in October but ऐसे full fledged में from November after CAT like I used to study for 9 to 10 hours daily.
Okay, then can this be a good strategy? Because till last year also, I used to tell people to focus on cat. But cat is always
Right.
heartbreaking and cat always pulls, especially if you're starting too late. So don't you think it's a good idea to skip cat? दो ही मत.
Yes, sir. अगर किसी का फोकस CET है so I think they can skip but my idea was I was very I mean थोड़ा मुझे डर लगता था कंप्यूटर पे एग्जाम्स देने में I was not that habitual so my focus was कि I'll give all the exams so I'll get habitual with that and also facing the fear of giving the exam on that day That's why I give all the exams like SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, everything.
Right, right. नहीं बाकी सारे एग्जाम एक जैसे हैं एनमेट का सिलेबस सिम्बी का सिलेबस सीमेट इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम टाइप ऑफ मोर लेस कैट एकदम अलग आता है बट वन थिंग आल्सो देयर
अलग है यस सर
दैट इन द कैट एग्जाम ना इट गिव्स यू अ किक you kind of want to
Yes.
take a revenge from the CAT exam. So I've seen that in many
Yes.
people. In fact, I've recorded one more video. Guy have got I think 90.91. Again fumbled in CAT, but got a very good percentile in the CET exam. So I think same could have happened to you as well. You felt the pinch because I doubt
sir.
being from
Yes,
Ramdev
sir.
Baba, which is a very good engineering college. नाम थोड़ा अजीब है but कॉलेज बहुत बढ़िया. Those who are not from Nagpur, they don't understand Ramdev Baba.
Yes, sir.
Because Ramdev Baba is world famous in
Yes, sir.
Nagpur, if not famous across. Ramdev Baba,
Yes, sir. It is.
Priyadarshini, all these colleges are only famous in Nagpur.
Yes, sir.
So,
Nagpur only. Yes, sir.
exactly. So you joined our program when? During what time you joined our program?
November starting, like first or second week of November. I
Okay.
purchased mocks and CET books. Whole
Okay, now
materials.
one thing I just want to hold you there. The guy who is purchasing CET ka books and mocks 2 weeks before the CAT exam, so I can understand what was CAT. तो मतलब तुम वैसे ही टाइम पास के मोड में थी कि अभी जैसे भी जाने दो. I'll focus on
Yes,
CET का
sir.
thing. Okay, great. क्योंकि ना मैं अब
Yes, sir.
लास्ट तक what I used to say कि बॉस तुम CAT पे फोकस करो तो ताकि तुम्हारा एक बेसिक क्लियर हो जाए, then we can focus on CET. So this year I'm going to plan 2 ways. Like from
Yeah.
September, October, जिसको CAT देना है आप टाइम पास की दे के आओ, but focus on CET so that you can immediately start off
Yes,
with it.
sir. Right.
Okay, how much was the first
Yeah.
mock ka score?
Mocks. So first mock score 86 or 85. 85 or 86.
देखो मेरा जो
I
analysis
gave first mock in
when you gave the first mock?
hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
when you gave
Hello?
the first mock?
November, first or second week of November.
अच्छा, CAT से
November
पहले
first
था.
or second week.
Okay, but yeah,
Yes,
I can
sir.
still, because 85 मारना मतलब it's a good marks, a very good marks according to me. The first mock is scoring 85. इसका मतलब उसमें भी CAT का थोड़ा बहुत help हुआ होगा. Because CAT preparation might have helped you थोड़ा बहुत. Yep. And
Yes,
then
sir.
we went on to 86 marks to final score is how much? 130? How much is final score?
131.
Okay.
131. Yes.
Superb. So how your journey look like? How you started your preparation? पहले क्या किया? Suppose anyone who have not done good in the CAT exam or anybody who is like giving CAT but not focused on CAT, what will be your advice? So that's your story. So today's agenda is your story from X to Y point. तो आपने क्या किया ऐसा 86 आने के बाद what was your chain of thought or what you started solving first?
Actually, मेरा basic syllabus like I knew basic thing because the company CRT के लिए मैंने prepare किया था for company aptitude test. So I knew basic. I was just bit slow in speed. So when I scored 85, I thought okay, अगर मैं और थोड़ा seriously करूँगी, I can definitely do well more. So 85, then I started preparing. Then CAT दिया तो of course I felt very bad because पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया था, ये तो समझ गया था. But it, as you said, it pinched me कि करना है, कुछ तो करना है. And if this is not, then आगे क्या? So I started studying more and more. So I used to study area wise, like logic. मैंने पहला logic पूरा खत्म किया, उसके बाद cons. So topic wise I used to study like used to tell in videos. आपने बोला था एक बार नवंबर में आपका वीडियो आया था कि complete all the vocabulary. So I used to complete all the vocabulary. Accordingly, I studied.
Superb. So what was your expected score by December 31st?
Sir, in December, I was scoring constantly 114. ना उससे कम, ना उससे ज़्यादा.
Okay,
Like
so
whole December, I 114 in 5 to 6 mocks continuously.
Okay, ये हमारे इंजीनियर्स का प्रॉब्लम है. 115 नहीं बोलेंगे, जैसे 114 जो है वो है 113, 114. Like a lot of my friends have to. I'll come back in 3 minutes. 3 minutes क्या होता है यार? 2 मिनट बोलो या 5 मिनट बोल लो. What do you mean by 3 minutes? The same way. Okay. All right. So that was so around December end we're talking about. So how you improved
Yes,
after
sir.
that? What you did, because this happened to a lot of people that their score gets stuck. at 100 or at 80, at 120,
Yes.
you get stuck. What you did to improve that?
सर एक्चुअली दिसंबर के बाद मेरा स्कोर बढ़ने की जगह और कम हो गया बिकॉज आई वॉज धीरे धीरे रिजल्ट आने चालू हुए थे स्नैप का रिजल्ट आया एनमैट का रिजल्ट आया तो वो 114 से धीरे धीरे नीचे होकर 90 तक आ गई थी मैं टिल जनवरी like I was not scoring more than 114 or not even close to that 90 100 I was scoring like that till January because of all the results I was getting a bit depressed so January was difficult very difficult month.
I say that because of the advanced mocks also, because advanced mock ka level goes up and your score, there's a dip in the score, so
Yeah.
was it because of that also?
Yes
Okay,
sir.
so well, your score went down because of the advanced mocks as well. Was that one of the reasons as well, or only because of your scoring bad in the other exam? What is the main reason for the scoring low?
Actually advanced mock also because I just started giving advanced mocks like it was first or second mock plus all the exams का result तो थोड़ा depression में जा रही थी and I stopped studying a little bit तो उसके कारण score बहुत नीचे आ गया था तब.
No problem, no problem. Okay, great. So then 190 पे आ गया यार, बाप रे, that's a scary thing यार. So then 90.
Yes sir, very scary.
January end was how much was scoring around mota score in January end?
In January and I was near to 90 and 100. Then आपके वही videos देखे again. Then I felt okay. आप CWT और दूसरे toppers के डाले थे. It's okay. You scored this much near in January to February. So I started more like you said topic wise घुस के पूरा करो. So I went in deep and find out my strengths. So उसके according फिर plan किया. Like my logic was best. So I was able to do logic puzzles, but not in a very speedy. Like I was very slow in that. So I focused more on that. ऐसे topic wise घुस के पूरा किया February
Okay.
में.
Okay,
And
great.
I started giving more and more mocks.
Okay, total how many mocks you might have given?
45 of CET King and plus I have others. So total 60.
ठीक है. Total 60 mocks.
Yeah.
Superb, yeah, superb. So that's a good number of mocks, yeah. So you are a live example, yeah. Trust me, I can relate to this video more. If I have not did well the CAT exam, or if I'm struggling with the mock score, because yeah, 90 marks in the mocks or maybe 100 marks in the mock, and coming back and scoring that mock is a big deal. It obviously is a big deal. So
Yes,
this
sir.
year, everyone watching this video, this girl should be your target. Target matlab to follow an inspiration point of view. So if we now talk about your on the exam day, what was your order of this thing scoring or order of
Yeah.
wise?
Yeah. I started with visual reasoning, abstract. Then I did verbal, then logical, and then cons.
Okay. And what was the highest mock score? Anything you remember? Highest mock score?
146 to 147.
Okay. And last 10-15 days, what was your average score, average mock score in the last 10 days?
Last 10 days, it was 127 to 132 around. इसके अराउंड ही चलता था. इसके बीच में कुछ आता था.
तो मतलब जितना आपके मॉक में स्कोर आया ऑलमोस्ट उतना ही आपका सीईटी वाली उतना ही ऑलमोस्ट उतना ही स्कोर आ गया आपका.
Yes sir. Exact.
Okay, great. So now what do you think where you lagged that you're not 99.95 percentile? Any 2-3 things which you think you could have done better, or where obviously you did well, I'm not saying you not did well, but आपको कहाँ पे लगा, because so that as a student I can improve those areas as well.
Actually I lagged. I was bit panicked जब CET का पेपर आया तो थोड़ा मैं डर गई थी स्टार्टिंग में. I was bit nervous तो उसके कारण थोड़ा सा परफॉर्मेंस पे इफेक्ट आया. अदरवाइज अगर मैं नर्वस नहीं होती तो शायद और अच्छा आ जाता. So don't be nervous. That's what I say.
On the exam day.
Yes sir.
Nervous on the exam day, right?
On the exam day.
यार ये होता है यार,
Yes, sir.
दो जो लीव जॉब ना, और बाकी एग्जाम में भी इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं
Yeah.
रहता, मन में डर डर रहता है कि ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या होएगा
Yes, sir.
जॉब का। एंड
Yes,
द
sir.
पेपर आल्सो वेंट
Yes,
वेरी
sir.
नॉनसेंस, इट वाज बड़ी अजीब सा पेपर।
Yeah. And this time, even the pattern was very different. I was prepared that कुछ तो अलग आएगा, you told before the exam, but still I was bit nervous. अब कुछ और अलग ना आ जाए, तो थोड़ा और nervous थी इसीलिए.
जो होता है यार, that always the fact always is there.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and in this journey, how seat taking helped you? That's always my question. You already have answered that question, but still.
Of course. Yes, sir. Of course, sir. I was always very demotivated generally after any result or anything. So I used to watch your video. The way you told कि ऐसा करो, go in deep, study this part. I also remember I attended your lecture of puzzles. So the technique you told, it was very helpful. That boosted my score, I can say, a lot. And then mocks, of course, the mocks are very apt. Like जैसा सीईटी के मॉक्स थे सेम, आई वुड से कि सीईटी के पेपर में भी वैसा ही था, सेम. आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट पेपर वाज सेम.
ओके ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट। तो अभी आप मेरे को एक लास्ट जाते आते हुए बता के जाइए टू स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट एडवाइस यू लाइक टू गिव टू द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नाउ गोइंग टू गिव द एग्जाम।
आई वुड से कि don't panic and just start preparing from October, November, so that January, February में आके won't panic कि ये नहीं हुआ है या ये course complete नहीं हुआ है. So that January, February में you can focus on your speed more, because it is all of speed game. So complete your course by December and focus on your speed and practice a lot in January and February. That I'll say.
That's the
Because
key.
speed
That's the
matters
main
a
key.
lot.
So one thing
Yeah,
which
and give more and more marks.
right, one thing which we got clear is that it's possible. Yeah, that person is getting,
Yeah.
आपका हर मामले में you are the right example to give. स्कोर कम आ रहा था, जैन में आके
Yes, sir.
जनवरी में अगर 90 मार्क्स आ रहा है या जैन एंड में 100 मार्क्स टच हो रहा है, तो इट्स लाइक अ डिजास्टर इज वेटिंग टू हैपन, बट यू स्टिल
Yes,
मेड
sir. Very much.
कैट में स्कोर बेकार गया तो लगता है कि यार पूरी दुनिया खत्म हो चुकी है, यू डिड
दुनिया
सर्वाइव।
उखड़ गई है.
जॉब छोड़ के घर बैठना, दैट आल्सो इज अ स्कैरी थिंग टू डू।
That is,
आप भी
yeah.
रोज आई कैन बेट ऑन दैट, तुम रोज सोचते हो कि यार क्या किया मैंने, क्यों किया मैंने ये।
Yes, sir.
तो हाउ
Yes,
यू,
sir. I was very panicking कि job छोड़ा है, so I have to do anyhow. That was my main, and that motivated a lot. That main idea.
नहीं ऑब्वियसली आई स्कैरी, नो डाउट स्कैरी है।
Yeah.
So great, Aisha.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming online. And once the lockdown is over, I want you to come to the center as well. अभी आप बॉम्बे में आ जाओगे. So once you're in Mumbai, would love to meet you and you can talk to the students as well. So we'll do that once you're
Yes,
here.
sir. Definitely.
Good story. Yeah,
Okay,
beautiful. Yeah, congrats. Yeah, congrats once again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay.